secret that Southerners love college football season. And while we can disagree on which team to pull for, there are no sides when it comes to a great tailgate menu. My favorite tailgate dish is about as easy as they come. With only 3 ingredients, anyone can make it. The star of this dish is some local corn. I picked this up from my favorite farm store down the road. And to get us started, I'm gonna wrap in foil and put in a 425-degree oven for 20 minutes to roast it up. Once the corn's finished and cooled, cut off the kernels and add them to a casserole dish. Then add a couple cans of diced tomatoes with chilies. Lastly, the queen of so many southern dips, cube up some cream cheese and dollop over top. Once the cream cheese is dolloped on top, throw it back into a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes so that the cheese gets melty enough for you to stir up all that goodness together. Creamy, spicy, and delicious. Pair this dip with your favorite tortilla chip and you'll have a fan favorite that anyone can pull for.